My name is Raymond. I participated in the Persian Language Summer School with Esperanto. It's really been a great opportunity for me to develop my Persian language skills. Yerevan and Annie do a great job of meeting us at our skill level and really working with us and finding out how we can work together to improve on an individual and group level. The people that I've spent time with and had the pleasure of conversing with have become good friends. It's been a great opportunity to meet people and also just to experience Yerevan. As part of the program, we go on weekend trips to all sorts of cultural sites, which has been a great opportunity to just learn about Armenia, the history, the culture, and just to see the beauty of the country. Honestly, best decision I could have made is to come to Esperanto and study in Armenia with this organization. I feel that my language skills have improved to a great extent due to the instruction and the programming at Esperanto. I really couldn't be happier, and I'd certainly recommend this program to anyone that's looking to improve their Farsi skills or even skills in Russian or one of the other languages that is offered.